What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm sharing with you guys a few different core exercises that I do apply into my own workout. So within quarantine season, this is the quarantine workout for the core. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe down to the section down below. Hit that red button right there and hit that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up so more people can see it and enjoy the workouts. And I'll see you guys at the end of this.
Tell me I'm ready. They tell me they waiting. Whole city trying to play. I'ma sound anticipated.
So one more thing, guys, as these workouts do play, everything's gonna be on mute. So play your favorite music, stop and pause this video anytime you need to, and just follow along with these workouts. Let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed that core workout. Make sure if you guys are interested in checking out Arccway. Furthermore, subscribe down to the channel down below. Check out the IG page for more content. And also check out the more links regarding fitness. I have upper body, I have full body, I have lower body as well. Check out the links up there so you guys can see more content regarding workouts. So most and foremost, thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Whole city tryna play. How much sound anticipated? Whole brand educated. We don't hear the shit you saying. How you niggas underrated? If you niggas ever